Namaskaram, welcome to episode 26 of Machine with Mayank, and today I am standing at Tachlog Pvt Limited and I am Sunish with me, and you will be excited to know that Tachlog works directly with ISRO and is one of the key player to help ISRO and making their flight missions possible. So let's know from Sunish what they are doing, and if he can just give us a brief about what all things they are working on, what all exciting things they are working on. Yes, Sunish.
Hi, my name is Sunish. I am from the company called Tachlog. Our company basically is a turnkey service provider for ISRO for the past 7 years. We have been the vendors of ISRO from 2019 onwards. We have executed more than 30 plus projects for ISRO, and we have major contribution in the aerospace applications of ISRO. The first thing, we have delivered certain robotic solutions for ISRO, certain checkout system for ISRO, and we have ongoing projects with ISRO which we are planning to expand. And things like we are based in Trivandrum, and Trivandrum, the VSSC and IASC are there. There we majorly work with them for certain projects, and now we are expanding to Bangalore also to work with LEOS, XSFC and URSC.
That's great.
This is one of our products.
Wow, so what it does?
It's a checkout system for ISRO.
Okay.
ISRO has an ICRG card, it's a gyro card. It's a gyro for gyro applications.
So for the motion and everything it will be helpful, right?
So for the gyro card, for testing that gyro card, they need a checkout system. So as per their requirement now, we've developed this checkout system. It's a data acquisition system. It's called data scope.
So it's a DAQ.
Yeah.
Okay.
The thing is like it's RS482 and RS482 communication protocol.
Okay, so these are the ports so we need to do that.
The device will be, the sensor card will be connected to the device with this protocol, and it's a command response thing. The device will send us certain commands and capture the response, and that data will be stored in the device and it will be dumped into the ISRO server.
All right. That's great. And what is this?
It's just a virtual reality prototype.
Okay.
So things like what the rover does have to be mimicked in the software.
Okay.
It's a the rover will be moved. Whatever the rover does, all the actions will be mimicked in the software. So we have developed the virtual reality on this. Whatever the rover does will be mimicked in the software. That's the one.
So this software you built it from scratch?
Yeah.
It's
Unity powered. We have
you have used Unity engine for doing the correct.
But the thing is like we have to implement the physics of the lunar surface on the software.
Okay.
That is the hard part.
All right.
And we have executed many projects in ISRO. This is one of the projects we done for ISRO. It's a pick and place robot. We're still working with this, working at a ISRO facility. We have delivered more than 7 flight cards in a span of 2 years.
So what flight card does?
Flight card is a space grade card. Recently on January 2nd, there was a docking mission conducted by ISRO. On that docking mission, there was a robotic arm. That robotic arm is only 3 countries have robotic arm in space. We are the 3rd country. That robotic arm control board was developed by us, in the sense that we have from the design part to the end part, the procurement and all, everything was done by us only, and that card was used for the controlling of the robotic arm.
Wow. So are you working with any private companies as such? Are you looking forward to
certain associated with private companies? But the thing is like once you are in the vendors of ISRO, you will get continuous work from them. That's the
so your pipeline is set.
Yeah, we are our pipeline is set.
So what all allied industries you can work in along with ISRO, which can help you,
we can work in aerospace domain. We have a good expertise. We have a good R&D team who are capable of handling aerospace domain. We have an expertise in aerospace and robotics also. And we are also tapping into certain domains. As per their requirement, we tap into different domains. Because the projects for ISRO will be versatile.
Yes.
Many different projects will be handled by ISRO. So, as per their requirement, we tap into different domains. Our R&D team is capable of handling different domains, and that's why we are here, and we are on a growth phase. We are executing more than many projects with ISRO, and ongoing projects are coming. And in future, maybe we are getting more work orders from them, and we are happy with that.
That's great.
Recently honored, our CEO was recently honored by ISRO. IAC director was recently honored our CEO.
May I know the name, please, of the CEO?
Our CEO's name is Pratish Vinaya.
Okay.
You can find him through LinkedIn.
Okay, I'll do that. But I think it's great what you are doing, and doing something of this nature and repute and being a partner of ISRO and bringing so much value. It's great. What all challenges you feel there are in the segment right now, which you feel that if it gets solved, it will help you much more?
India is on a growth of improving our semiconductor industry, but the thing is like we are lacking in semiconductors. We need certain
Boost in that
semiconductor industry. Then only we can achieve much more growth.
So, is there any talent problem in this particular segment, or you think that?
Things like in India, only after the engineering, the students will know what they have to do. Then only they will understand what the industry is. They have to have a certain experience before joining the college. Then only they will understand what is the industry.
So, do you think that engineering colleges now internships have started, but from the first year itself, they should be thrown into going and doing some own projects of their own in the field?
We are much lagging in the education system for BTech and all. The thing is like whatever they used to study, teach in engineering college are nothing like the industry. In industry, when
there is a huge gap between what industry needs and what has been taught in the colleges.
That needs to be corrected. The first thing is, then only they will have an idea. The students will have an idea where they have to tap into excel their field. That's the major thing we are lacking. And
so, if there is someone who wants to work with you on internship basis just to learn, is there any possibility they can reach out to you?
We used to conduct some workshops in the past, but as of now we are not conducting because we are actually packed.
Yeah, because of the kind of work which you are doing, critical works and all that.
But the thing is like we support students on their, if they are stuck with the project or something, or they find a project, if they are stuck with the problem.
So you can guide them, so they can.
We guide them. We guide them because we have an expertise in the industry.
That's great.
So
you can help, you can mentor them a little bit wherever they are stuck.
We can do the troubleshooting for them, and we support them on the troubleshooting side. But we don't do the project. We support them and guide them like this may be the problem, and do it and what they should tap into to understand the problem. That we do.
No, that's perfect. So that's absolutely awesome. I think to all my viewers, I can say that if someone want to experience how aerospace industry works, what are the technicalities, and if there is someone in your group or in your network who wants to learn about it and they are stuck with projects, they can at least drop an email and see. If they have time, they would be helping you out with that details. But from our perspective, thank you so much for giving your time, and it's awesome seeing Tachlog doing so great and making us proud, and that's amazing. It's not easy to do this kind of work, and you have your own R&D team, and the major problem with India is that R&D is not given so much priority because it is a cost center for a couple of years until it gives some output, but you are working on R&D, in-house R&D, not outsourcing it, and then also helping ISRO in its mission. That's commendable. Many kudos to Tachlog, its team, all the R&D team, scientists, and the CEO for working. Lots of best of luck to you, and looking forward you to work with more private players like Pixel and others, who are Skyroot, Pixel, who are also in the private sector doing this work. Great. Thanks Sunish for your time. Nice meeting you. I'll just show you what all we have here right now so that you don't get. So this is their data acquisition software.
Yeah, I can show you the workflow.
Oh yes.
Take some time to boot.
Okay. Okay. So guys, you are seeing a rover which is on the floor. Consider it as a Mars for now, and then we are seeing it how it is mimicked in the Unity platform, which they have used to give the VR setup. Wow. So that's why it is also mimicking the gravity part. So that's why the jumping is happening. That's awesome. That's perfect. Thank you so much, Sunish, for your help. Thank you.